Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck, and today we're going to learn how to create a foundation structure to be able to create a foliage style column, an overhead piece, or also some different structures that you can be able to add floral materials to as well. To start off with, we start with a chicken wire base, and my preference is the coated chicken wire that you get from a home store. This is the 24-inch wide, and I just bring it around and create like a pillow type structure. And you're going to come in and fold the ends down into themselves, and the same on the other end. And this becomes a really good structure. You can add a couple zip ties to be able to strengthen that out, but you're able to just weave foliage materials into that pillow style structure. So you can see just by adding some of the Hydroseal Leatherleaf on here how fast and easy that covered up. I would add some Salal and maybe some Huckleberry too to create a little bit more of a garden type atmosphere. But this could be adhered to any type of structure to frame out a venue or a ceremony site. The foliage column, we're going to go into that on how that was created, but we've used that patio base to do that. And then added the PVC pipe. So here you can see how I've got the PVC pipe in the envelope of the chicken wire, and if I needed to add more floral materials, I could add a variety of cages to this, and to be able to add a lot more flowers. Or you can do some on-site application, inserting flowers in water tubes, or use some preserved materials to adorn that too. So let's take a look at creating this foliage column. Okay, so now we're getting ready to get started. So what we've used is an umbrella stand base that creates this upright structure. I've inserted a PVC pipe. I've drilled a couple holes in that PVC pipe to be able to attach my chicken wire structure to. We've created kind of an envelope or pillow type structure on here. And here you can see this is one bunch of Salal that's been inserted into this. So on this, we're going to use 2 bunches of Salal, 2 bunches of the Hydroseal Leatherleaf so that it has a longer life, and then the Cocculus, 2 bunches of that as well. And the Huckleberry is really large right now, so we may not need 2 bunches of that. We're going to create more of a garden-inspired foliage column to start off with, and flowers could always be inserted. So then you just start by cutting off some of the Salal. This is the rest of our bunch here, and you can just see that you come in and just weave this down into the structure. Coming in with a variety of insertions. So next I'm just going to start adding in the rest of the materials. So now you know the mechanic behind some of these elaborate structures that are framing our brides and the ceremony sites, and also entryways into events. And so you can see how easily they can be constructed using PVC pipe, a heavyweight base, like a patio umbrella stand, and then creating these envelope type structures that can be adhered anywhere, with them being very lightweight. If you want to add more floral adornment, add those cages in. If it's elongated, I would add the PVC pipe in as an extra structural element, and then use zip ties to attach them. So I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and I hope I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.